How to fix Snapchat calling problem. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. When you open the apps, go to Snapchat and then click on the notifications management. Make sure that all these options here are enabled like this exactly, from the first one to the last one, and then go back, click on permissions. Make sure to enable every single permission, especially the phone permission. Go back, click on data usage. Now right here, what you have to do is disable all these four options and enable them back again. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear data and click on delete, and now restart your phone and reopen Snapchat. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.